Today, I'll show you how to fully secure and customize your Telegram account. You'll learn how to enable Face ID, check the email linked to your account, control who can see your contact info and last seen, and set who can call you. Let's get started. Step 1. How to enable Face ID on first. Let's enable Face ID on your Telegram account for extra security. Steps. 1. Open Telegram. 2. Tap the Settings tab in the bottom right. 3. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. 4. Tap Passcode and Face ID. 5. Turn on Unlock with Face ID. 6. If you haven't set a passcode yet, Telegram will ask you to create one first. And that's it. Your Telegram will now unlock only with Face ID. Step 2. How to check the email linked to your Telegram account. Next, here's how to check which email, if any, is associated with your Telegram account. Steps 1. Open Settings in Telegram. 2. Tap Privacy and Security. 3. Scroll to the two-step verification section. 4. Tap Set up Email or change recovery email if you already have one. 5. If an email is already linked, Telegram will display it here. If you don't see any email listed, it means no recovery email is linked yet. Step 3. How to set privacy for contacts, last seen and online. A. Who can see your phone number? Contact info. To control who can see your phone number or contact info. Steps 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. 2. Tap Phone Number. 3. Choose Everybody. My contacts, nobody. 4. Under Exceptions, you can add specific users to allow or restrict. B. Who can see your last seen and online status. To control who can see when you were last active. Steps. 1. Still in Privacy and Security, tap Last Seen and Online. 2. Select Everybody. My contacts, nobody. 3. Use the exception list to fine-tune visibility. Keep in mind, if you hide your last seen from someone, you also won't see theirs. Step 4. Who can call you on Telegram? Finally, let's control who can call you on Telegram. Steps. 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. 2. Tap Calls. 3. Choose who can call you. Everybody. My contacts. Nobody. 4. You can also set specific exceptions, allow certain people or block individual users. 5. You can also turn peer-to-peer calls on or off for privacy. And that's it. You now know how to protect your Telegram account using Face ID, check your recovery email, manage your privacy settings, and control who can call you. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.